To find the screen recorder settings on POCO X7 Pro, we need to open the settings, scroll all the way down, and go to additional settings. Over here you will find screen recorder, you want to select it. And now here we can, for instance, choose the resolution of our recorded videos, or the videos that we will record from now on. We can also change the video quality up to 50 megabits per second. We can switch the orientation, the sound source, so over here we can use just the system sounds or only the microphone or both or none. We can also switch the frame rate, so over here you can set up 60 frame rate per second or even 90. Then we also have the option to lock screen to end, so we can lock the screen to end the recording. We can enable and disable the touch gestures visible on the recording and button taps. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel and see you in my next videos. Bye!